Welcome to our video tutorial for wireless network. First of all, we'd like to introduce ourselves. I'm Yoshiko J, and with my partner, I'm Alice Jason. In this chapter, we'll talk about the two types of wireless network. The two types are the ad hoc or peer-to-peer, and the second one is the infrastructure. This chapter contains two parts. In the first part, we'll give a brief description about the ad hoc and infrastructure wireless network. In the second part, we will show you how to configure an infrastructure wireless network. So, what is ad hoc? Ad hoc allows wireless devices to directly communicate with each other. It doesn't need central access points. Typically used by two computers to form a network connection. And what is infrastructure? Infrastructure joins a wireless network to a wired Ethernet network. It needs a central connection points. A wireless access point is needed to communicate with other hosts. What are the advantages of infrastructure? One is the scalability, centralized security management, and the last one is improved reach.
Hi, I'm Jason. In this section, I will show you how to configure an infrastructure wireless network. I assume that you have a basic knowledge about networking and Windows operating system. In order to begin, you have to click the Start menu, then Settings and Network Connections. You can see two different connection. You have to choose the wireless and right click it, then properties. You have to choose the internet protocol and properties. You have to assign a dynamic or a static IP address. I will use the static IP address. As what I have said a while ago, you should have a basic knowledge about networking so that you would understand how to put an IP address on these text boxes. Okay, then close. We have to right click again to the wireless network, view available networks. We can see the access point of our school. We are using the wireless router. Connect to it. Your system may ask you for a password, so we have to enter it. Click connect, then we have to wait until our PC is connected to the network. And finally, we are now connected to our network. All we have to do is try to connect to the internet using the Microsoft Internet Explorer. Okay, I'm now connected to the internet. That's all for this session. I hope that you've learned something about our tutorial. Thank you and goodbye.